The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Chisago County, Washington County, Barron County, northern Dunn County, Polk County, St. Croix County, until 12:45 a.m. At 11:35 p.m., radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Rush City to Osceola to Woodbury and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include CONNORSVILLE 23, New Richmond, Balsam Lake, Amari, Menominee, Rice Lake, Schaefer, Marine on St. Croix, Stillwater, Scandia, Center City, Woodbury, Lindstrom, Lake Elmo. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This storm has a history of producing destructive winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.